Today we're making a blackberry and guava refresher. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, so for the blackberry simple syrup, we're just going to take a saucepan and we're going to dump our blackberries. In previous videos, I told you what a light simple syrup ratio is, 1 cup sugar to 3 cups of water. But because this is going to be the main sweetener, we're going to reverse it. We're going to do 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. It's kind of the same ratio you would use if you were doing lemonade. That was 1 cup water. And now we're just going to boil this down into a nice thick syrup. Okay, now we want to prepare our guava. These are baby guavas. And all we're going to do is get rid of that stem because it's a little fibrous, and then just cut it in half. And that's what the inside looks like. And we're going to do that for the rest of the guava. Okay, for this part, it's going to be very simple. In a blender, we're going to add the baby guava. And to that, we're going to add 4 cups of water. And then all we're going to do is we're going to puree it. Okay, here I have a bowl with a mesh strainer on top. And make sure you get a spatula to kind of push everything along. This is also going to add a little creaminess to our refresher. The pureed fruit has given it kind of like a creamy consistency. Okay, but as you can see, it's catching all the seeds, and that's what we want. Okay, now I want to do the same and strain that blackberry simple syrup. And again, we want to press all that liquid, leaving the pulp and seeds behind. Here we have our blackberry simple syrup. Okay, in that same blender that we did the guava, I just rinsed it out. And to that, I'm going to add about a cup of ice, 2 cups of water, the guava puree, the juice of 8 limes, which came out to about a cup of lime juice, and then about a cup of that blackberry simple syrup. And if I need to add more, I'll add more. I'm going to place the lid. Okay, here I have a glass with ice. And there you have it. Blackberry Guava Refresher. Sabroso.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.